Join me as I take on the challenge of finding the best ways to make money sustainably in 2025. Making money sustainably is crucial for both our personal finance and the planet, and it's becoming increasingly important as we move forward into the future. People often struggle to make a living while being environmentally conscious, and one of the main challenges is the misconception that sustainability has to be expensive. Many believe that going green means breaking the bank, but that's not always the case. There are plenty of ways to live sustainably without overspending. Misconceptions about sustainability can be a major obstacle for those trying to make a positive impact. The media often portrays eco-friendly living as a luxury only the wealthy can afford, which deters people from making sustainable choices. Sustainable living is not just about saving the planet, it's also about saving money in the long run, and this is something that many people are not aware of. Green businesses, remote work options, and investments in eco-friendly companies are just a few examples of sustainable money-making opportunities. These opportunities are not only good for the planet, but they can also be very profitable. For instance, starting a green business can be a great way to make money while promoting sustainable practices. Remote work options can also reduce carbon footprint by minimizing commuting time. Investing in eco-friendly companies is another way to make money sustainably. Many companies are now focusing on sustainable practices, and investing in them can be a great way to support the cause while earning a profit. Sustainable money-making opportunities are on the rise, and it's an exciting time for those looking to make a positive impact. With a little creativity, anyone can find ways to make money while promoting sustainability. A great example of sustainable practices in action is Patagonia, a company that has thrived through its commitment to environmental responsibility. The company's focus on sustainability has not only helped the planet, but it has also contributed to its financial success. Patagonia's story is a great inspiration for anyone looking to make a positive impact. The company's success is a testament to the fact that sustainability and profitability can go hand in hand. Another success story is that of a small business owner who started a recycling program in her community. She was able to make a profit while promoting sustainability, and her program has had a significant impact on reducing waste in her community. These success stories show that making money sustainably is not only possible, but it can also be very rewarding. Making money sustainably is all about finding opportunities that align with your values and promote environmental responsibility. By investing in eco-friendly companies, starting green businesses, and reducing our carbon footprint, we can all make a positive impact while earning a profit. In conclusion, making money sustainably is a great way to promote environmental responsibility while earning a profit. By following the examples of companies like Patagonia and exploring sustainable money-making opportunities, we can all make a positive impact. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more financial tips and tricks.